I throw on my shades cause my eyes low. Yeah, peanut butter cookies, this not hydro. I'm in that foreign shipping Gills, Murcielago. When I wake up, feel like Nietzsche, I feel like Pablo. Yeah, I throw on my shades cause my eyes low. Yeah, peanut butter cookies, this not hydro. In that foreign shipping Gills, Murcielago. When I wake up, feel like Nietzsche, I feel like Pablo. Yeah, I be with my pole cause my nerves bad. Yeah, everything gets sold, but you ain't heard that. Yeah, spin that boy block, let's do a test drive.
Y'all, it's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. And back from the vault of 2006, we have a banger. Definitely one of my favorite shoes of 2026 that's re-releasing. We have the black University Blue Jordan 14. But before we get started, definitely have to shout out some shoes. We have the Union Fragment, also the Chicago 13s, and the Laker, aka Lake Show Jordan 4s. We have those videos out, so if you haven't watched those videos, make sure y'all go watch them. Also, still on the road to 10,000 subscribers, so make sure y'all keep subscribing. And we're trying to get those numbers up. Before we get started, I appreciate y'all for the constantly watching the channel and giving us feedback. Thank you. All right, let's get started. So if you watch the Laker 4 video, I talked about how the face box is back. Definitely like this box. The size tag reads black, white, University Blue. I'm gonna show y'all the size tag. There we go. So normally 14s come in a 13s box with the trash bag paper, but this one is coming in the face box with the regular paper. I might have preferred the trash bag paper, but I do like the box. Also, I do have a grade school pair. I'm going to show the significant differences and just show y'all how that pair looks. But let's get started into the men pair. So we have this black nubuck or durabuck, however you want to call it, material on the shoe. To me, the shoe looks ashy, kind of looks like it has a lint on it, but I still like it. Just giving y'all my honest opinions. Also, a lot more ashier around the toe box. Then also on the toe box, we have this embroidered University Blue Jumpman. I do like that. On the midsole, we have this University Blue midsole. Also have this metallic color right here. As well as on this side, on the inner side of the shoe. And on the bottom, another Roman numeral 14 symbol and the University Blue Jumpman on the bottom. Then going back to the tongue and the laces, black laces. Then on the tongue, it says Jordan. It's like a plastic little piece on the tongue. And then on the back, it says 14 in Roman numerals. On the inside, I'm gonna show you the size tag. So the size tag is on the tongue. Then on the inside, we have another University Blue Jumpman. Eyelets on the laces, silver eyelets on the laces. I thought it was metal, but it's actually plastic. It would have been nice if it was metal. Then on the side, we have this Ferrari style badge symbol with the Jumpman on the inside. That's white. Actually looks kind of gray. Then we have the back tab, heel tab. It's rubber and it has a gray Jumpman and 23 on the back. Also, this university color at the top of it. So yeah, pretty solid details. I still like the shoe, even though it does look pretty ashy. I do see a few little glue spots, but nothing too bad. I'll show you the other side, the other shoe. Also forgot to mention the black sock lining. I definitely want y'all to answer how y'all gonna style this shoe. It's black and blue. I don't want to see no black and blue shirts with black jeans, black jacket. Try to do something different, okay? It's the grade school. I don't like that the grade school doesn't come with this box. I think we need to treat the people that wear grade school a whole lot better. I don't like this box. It's just a regular Jordan box. I feel like it should come with this one. Wrapped the same way.
Put them side by side to see if they're blue in the lighter.
This is the grade school. I'm gonna do side by side to see if the blue,
It's a lot different.
the blue does look different.
I ain't talking about the blue. I'm talking about, you see how this like
Oh,
matte
okay.
black, and then it's back here where your finger. Like it ain't. We ain't got that on the man.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So there is some structural difference. There is some structural differences on the shoe, if we can see right here, with the black, the spacing on the with the black on the back of the shoe, or lateral heel. It's different. Also the spacing right here as well is different with the black and then the university blue. Again, I don't really like the way the grade school looks, but I still want to get the shoe. It's like the structure just looks weird. This is fine, but this is like smashed on and it comes up. And it's kind of buckling right here too, you can see. I actually don't see that much glue on it. I think the men pair had a little bit more glue than this one. Show y'all the bottom of it. Non-marking on the bottom. The inside details are the same. Size tag is on the tongue. Have the 14 Jordan. But yeah, definitely still a clean shoe. I still think that Nike is not producing the grade school shoe very well. But these are coming out March 21st, so I definitely would cop these as full family size. And again, men is about 210, grade school about 155. So pretty good pricing. But yeah, this pretty much wraps up the review. Thank y'all for watching.
When you beat the body in the studio, they say my style is original. I'm getting money upgraded from a criminal. Had to take my lick, watch me do my dab, hit a voicemail like